We'll compare two numbers in this exercise. We'll use either the greater than symbol or the less than symbol to fill in this box to write a true sentence. And we see that the two numbers that we're comparing are negative 0.78 and negative 0.87. Let's picture these numbers on a number line. They're very close together on the number line. They're both between negative 2 and negative 1. Or excuse me, they're between negative 1 and 0. Negative 0.78 would be right about here, and very close to it, we would have negative 0.87. But we see from this that negative 0.78 lies to the right of negative 0.87 on the number line. So that tells us that negative 0.78 is the larger of the two numbers. So we'll use the greater than symbol. And we have the sentence now, negative 0.78 is greater than negative 0.87.